Hey guys, so today we are going to be making another style of turban base. This is how it looks. It is folded in and out, and it looks like a beanie, but it's not like a beanie because you don't make it as how you make the professional beanies. I call this the beanie cheat method. You'll see it in the end. It's a very quick and easy project. So this can be worn by itself as it is, or you can add one of the turban headbands or turban bases, style it up, and you have your own style of a turban. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's begin with our fabric measurements. My fabric measures whatever my head circumference is from here to right here minus 1. So if your head circumference is 21, you need to cut 20. If it's 23, you cut 22. So whatever your head circumference is, minus 1. And the measurements are in inches, not centimeters. So head circumference minus 1 from here to here. From here to here, it's going to measure 22 inches when unfolded. So it looks small right now because I have folded it. So when I unfold it, it's 22 inches. So what I'm going to do next is, as you can see, it's folded like this, right? But I need to fold it the other way around, which is like this. So after you fold it this way, what you're going to do is you're going to go to either your sewing machine or serger and join these two by sewing from right here. I mean not these two, I mean this piece from here all the way to right here. So use whatever you have, either a serger or a sewing machine. I used a serger with mine, and this is how it looks. So the next thing, what we are going to do is we are going to turn this inside out but in half. So watch what I'm doing. So I'm going to take this and do this. You just want to make this point meet this point right here. And there you go. So the next thing, we are going to close this up, like sew everything up in a straight line. But when you're sewing, you want to make sure that the seam that we just did is on the side and not the middle. So it's going to be on this side, and you're going to sew a straight line from here all the way to right here, or use a serger. Whatever you use, just make sure you close all these up. Again, I use my serger to finish this part up, as I said earlier. So the next thing is we're going to finish this piece up, and it's a very quick style, and as I said earlier, it's a cheat method. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this end and this end and overlap it like that, then go to your sewing machine and use a straight line and just join these tiny pieces here. So just go back and forth like 5 times to make sure it's tight, and you want to go to like just half an inch. It doesn't have to be big, just back and forth. So our final step, I used my sewing machine and I went back and forth, as I said earlier, and it is done. So this is how it looks once it's joined. Don't worry, once you turn it inside out, this is how your piece looks like, and it's ready to wear. So for everyone who's going to be making this for themselves, enjoy your product, and for everybody adding this to their business, keep making that money. I'll see you in the next one.